Alright, I have a 2011 Hyundai Sonata, the SC version, which is the 2.4 liter engine. I've been getting a lot of the check engine light recently, P0455, which indicated a large evap leak, and it's a pretty common issue. And a lot of people said it was a fuel cap, which I replaced, and still getting it. Don't get any. It doesn't affect my driving, or at least I don't think it affected any of my driving. But I just keep the check engine light keeps coming up. So I did find a YouTube video that told me to replace this purge valve. Bought it on Amazon for about 30 bucks. This is a genuine Hyundai part. And to access it, you have to take out the air intake as well as this box just to get access. It's pretty tight in there. I've also um, took out the bolts for this and these wiring harnesses just to give some more room to maneuver in there. And this tube and this tube just takes a little bit of effort. You can't see this one. This tube right here takes a little bit of effort to pull out, but once you do, this thing just really just slides out towards the air filter box. And the electrical has this tab, so you guys can see. So you need to push this tab down and then pull it out. So I'm gonna put this all back together and see if this clears it. Alright, everything's back, and it's been a little over a week since I replaced that purge valve, and so far no check engine light. So if you are getting the P0455 error code, this could be one of the reasons that's throwing that code. You can also try replacing the fuel cap again, like I have, but it did not fix my code. So by now it would have been thrown again. And the other thing I did notice, this may be totally anecdotal, but I noticed that my miles per gallon actually increased. Before I changed the purge valve, it was running at about 23 average to 24 miles per gallon, but now with just the two fill-ups, it's been averaging 25, and I've hit over 26. So I'm driving in LA, so there's a lot of traffic, and yeah, I don't know if that's what you guys will experience as well, but it would make sense since this purge valve does open and close to allow fuel vapors to be reignited. So it definitely will help some for the MPG. So that's it. Hopefully that video helps. I didn't find a lot of tutorials on how to replace it, but hopefully the closer ups helped you.